Oracle does have its own backup routines, but when it was needed to recover some data that was deleted from database last night, it didn't help. We would have to restore the whole database in order to retrieve just the one piece of data we wanted, and we could not do that anymore, as users continue to use other applications that modify database data. We create the Oracle Backup script tool so that it creates database dumps every night with the EXPDP tool. These database dumps can be imported at any time into any Oracle compatible database, or they can be restored to the same database into the same original schema or into another schema if the data needs to be compared before it is restored. The Oracle Backup script tool also targets disaster recovery. With each and every dump, a script to recreate all table spaces is included in the generated zip file to ease the recovery process. Each dump file is compressed into a zip file that contains the dump file itself, the log file generated for the dump, and the script to recreate the table spaces. At the end of the script execution, an email is sent with the execution result. The zip files can be copied to another network location, and the zip files for a given number of days can be saved in the database server itself. The script is built in Python, and it works both on Windows and Linux.